Join us on our Florida Road Trip 2021. Today is day 11 and the date is June 28th. Today we are in Disney Springs and we stopped at the Chicken Guy for lunch. We ended up waiting in line for a pretty long time, but we really wanted to try it. So at the Chicken Guy, you have a choice of 22 sauces, two of which come with your meal, and then you have to pay extra for any of the other additional. The Chicken Guy opened in Disney Springs in August of 2018. It is owned by Guy Fieri. We got two three-piece chicken tender meals, which came with fries and a soda, and an order of mac and cheese. The total for our meal was $28.73. The meal was a little pricey, but we did enjoy it. We'll definitely be looking for other locations. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thank you.